how to send Canva design via email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser and on the search bar, search for Canva. So go ahead and open it, and then on Canva, you can go to the templates option on the left hand side and you can choose among the various templates by searching it on the search bar. So I have searched for vision board for desktop and I want to share this design with my friends. So I'll tap on it and tap on customize this template, and then once it opens up, there will be a share option on the top right. So while it opens up, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. So once you find this share option, tap on it and then you'll find add people or groups option. So there you can just write the email of the person, and then what you need to do is you'll need to change the access level. If you want them to edit it, just tap on the drop down and then give anyone with the link, give access to everyone, and then put in the email of the person and then send it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.